Alright, what's up guys? So today, I think I'm gonna go back into the woods and make some jumps on the pit bike track. Alright, so I got to the pit bike track. I think I'm going to throw in a jump right here. It's kind of hard to tell, but I'm going to have the takeoff like right about here, and then you're going to land over on that side. So I got this log I'm going to cut up into about 4-foot sections. I'm just doing this to fill up space so I don't have to dig as much. I'm going to stack the logs up and then place dirt on top of them. Hope you guys are enjoying this so far. I know it's a little different, but it was actually pretty cold today. This morning it was like in the 30s, so starting to get wintry. Alright, so I started adding more dirt to the jump. It still needs some more work, but here's what it looks like so far. Kind of looks pretty sketchy, but with some more work it should shape up pretty nice. I gotta fill in some area over here, and then I gotta mellow this out a little bit. I might add another layer of logs just to make it a little higher on this backside, because right now it's a pretty short jump, but it's a good start for next year, because I want to get quite a bit done to this back here next year. Kind of at the end of the season here in Wisconsin. But I think I'm going to go get the pit bike and ride around a little bit back here. So yeah, that's a good start for right now. Alright, so I got the KLX out here, and I'm going to do a few laps on the track for you guys. Alright, so I think I'm going to run back to the cabin. I got to get out of here pretty quick. I'm going to Lydia's today, actually, and the sun's going down. I hate how dark it gets early now. Like, how dark it gets early. Oh, early it gets dark now. It gets dark at like 5:30. Soon it's going to get dark at like 4. Cutting into my recording time, yo. But, yeah, the pit bike's a little bit low on oil, so I think I'm going to run it back